Welcome, this is Mr. Robinson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a lesson within Edu 2.0. Um, First of all, we're going to use 7J ICT as our example again. So let's go up to Lessons. Lessons are going to enable you to combine a lot of different things together into a complete lesson. For instance, you could have students watch videos, you could have them read a document that you attach. You could have them take a quiz or submit a file or do a graded discussion. There's a lot of different things you can do. Okay, this is a sample lesson from before. I'm going to delete that. We don't want that here. So when you first go there, this is what you're going to see. So you're going to see basically no lessons. So go ahead and click on Add Lesson. And you can either do a new lesson or existing lesson. Once you create a lesson within Edu 2.0, you can copy that lesson in its entirety to any other class that you're teaching. But we're not going to do that right now. We're going to add a new lesson here. Okay, and I'm just going to call this sample lesson, and I'm not going to give it a description, and I'm not going to schedule it right now. I'll just click Save. Once you have your lesson in there, you can change the picture that goes the kind of profile picture, if you will, for that lesson. I like to try to use the same image for all of my lessons of the same type to kind of group them together quickly. But that's up to you, really. Sections. So for your lesson, you're going to have sections. For instance, you might have a introduction section, and then a discussion section, and then an assignment section or something like that. So when you click on Add there, you can either add HTML, which is basically just text or images or whatever you want to attach or embed, and then or assignment. SCORM you don't really need to worry about. So let's take a look at the HTML content. Again, we're titling our section. Okay, so let's say this is the content section, or let's say introduction might be better. Okay, now within here I can just put in text. I can put in a link, which is the little world with a little link next to it. I would just put in the web address there. I could attach a file that students want to read, maybe a PDF or a Word document or something like that. You could attach an image. There's a lot of different things you can do. Okay. So I'm going to go back now and show you what if you wanted to add an assignment as a section. So if you click on assignment, then you're going to have a choice of all these different assignments. These are the same choices that you had within the assignment. They are the same choices you have within the assignment section of Edu 2.0. And if you haven't watched the assignment videos, screencast that I made for Edu 2.0, you probably want to watch those first before you watch this video. So again, I'm not going to go into those because I went into them in the assignment video that I created, or the assignment screencast. Okay, so again, you just create sections, whether they're HTML content or assignment sections. You create as many as you want. In the next part, in part 2, I'm going to show you some lessons that I've created to give you a better idea of really what this looks like when you actually create these.